Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I received this comment from my viewer. I am using Multisim 14 for 3 years. The most complex component is the transformer. Knowing virtually the all real parameters of the transformer, I cannot enter the parameters in any program. The program do not work correctly. Please tell me how to work with transformers in simulator program. He is using Multisim 14 but I have Multisim 7. The setting is same. Multisim 7. I will place transformer here. You can use any of these transformers. Miscellaneous 25:1 ratio, miscellaneous virtual, power virtual. Let's use this one, miscellaneous, or anyone. Okay, power virtual. I will connect AC source. I will connect multimeter here. Set AC voltage. We need to enter peak voltage value 311 volt for 220 C, and here 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz whatsoever. Change the unit here, Hertz. Okay, then set multimeter AC. These are AC input voltage. Now we need to connect ground, because in Multisim we need to connect ground here. Now let's connect output side multimeters. It is center tape transformer, so we will use 2 multimeters. Let's power it on. Yes, it is 25:1 ratio. Now if I want to change the output of this transformer, turn off simulation, calculator. For example, I want to take 25 volt output from this transformer. 25 divided by 220. It is 0.113. 0.1136. I will copy this number. Copy. Double click on the transformer. Edit model. E1. Here is magnetizing inductance, and here 0.0363 we will replace with this number which we calculated on the calculator. Change part model. Okay, and now run simulation. Yes, we have 24.99 volt. Let's change to 60 volt. 60 divided by 220 volt. The conversion factor 0.272. Copy it. Come to transformer, edit model. Enter this value here. Remember that it is sine wave transformer. It is not PWM transformer. Change part model. Okay, because we are applying sine signal here. 59.8 volt. Let's make it 220 volt. 220 in, 220 out. Edit model. We will make it 1.00. 1:1 ratio. Change. Okay. Power on. Yes, here 219 volt, 219 volt. Let me convert it into 110 volt transformer. Edit model. Because here it will need a calculation value 0.5, 0.5. Change model, okay. Power on. Now the voltage are divided into two. 109, 109. Let's take 3 volt output. 3 divided by 220. It is 0.1363. Copy this number. Change, okay. Yes, we have 3 volts. I hope this video is informative for you. If it is informative, like this video. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.